this maple syrup sausages. I'll think about it. Hey, hey, hey. Welcome back to Candra's World, Candy Lands. Good morning, good morning, good morning on this Saturday morning. How are y'all Saturday gone? How's it going? And today, I'm having eggs, sausages, and pancakes with a butter. Today will be a Sippy Sip live, as well as tomorrow on Sunday, because I missed a day. And I want to get back on schedule with my hours. How's y'all weather? The weather outside is blur, but it's sunny. But what you expect? It's November. So all last night, on a Friday, I was binge washing clothes, binge watching YouTube. So I know a lot of y'all saw me in y'all comments, and that's not the end. Because before I go on live today, I will be watching videos and just showing support. And I want to thank all of you, my old schools, my new schools. Let's make this happen. Let's grow together. Hopefully when I come back, on Sippy Sip Live, my allergies won't be on fleek, because they are. So right now I'm eating my breakfast before the pests and baby pests come back in here, and watching Christmas movies. Ooh. So today, we'll be talking about Aries. Where y'all Rams? We'll be talking about Aries and love. I done did my research for my whole new starting over topic for all my zodiacs. So that won't be in effect to Tuesday. Because I'm still on these fire signs and I got 2 more to go. I do them in order, people. I do them in order. So if you miss your sign, the way I do my zodiacs, they come with a topic, as well as I do my lives. So, if you missed your sign when I did it that day, go back. Check the girl out in my videos. And I'm going to tell y'all something. When we all started out, we was because I looked at my videos yesterday from day one. And still not no pro. I'm just getting better with time. When I looked at some of my videos yesterday, I started from the bottom down here with my videos. Not to play my own playlist, but I wanted to see how much I done grown in 4 months. Honey, when I tell you, I look back. And once I get bigger than I am and have more equipment, I'm going to look back at these videos too. But to say this, them videos was horrible. But look where I'm at now. I had to learn and grow myself. So, never give up on your dream if it's destined to be. That's all I'm gonna say about this. If I could pick on myself and don't have no shame, then I don't care what nobody else think of me. And that's on the facts. So let's get into it, y'all. I ain't know about editing. I ain't know about intros or outros. I ain't know about nothing. And still don't. But I'm learning. And that's all that matters. I'm self-teaching. Because I got kids that know. But I get frustrated with them when they get frustrated with me. The feeling is mutual. But take my time and learn, I will learn. I'm running my mouth, time is flying. I don't got no water. This is a quick video, rush video, because I don't want my big pets and my baby pets to come out in here and bum rush, so I'm trying to get it out the way. Aries in love. That's what they say, I don't. I'm just saying what I know, if I done experience with that. They love seeing how they can capture someone's interest. In fact, it's sort of like a game for them. The more aloof you are, the more they will want you, especially since they love a good challenge. Y'all Rams, oh my Lord. Being with them can be confusing because they want freedom and togetherness at the same time. How can you do that? Yeah, that'll confuse me. But it ain't gonna confuse me because I'm like, adios. Adios. You ain't confusing my membranes. No, you're not, Rams. Okay. They also want to dominate, but they also want someone who can match them and be equal and be on equal terms. Yeah, that got my head spinning, and I ain't even got a drink. I'm glad I ain't deal with no Aries, because I ain't gonna be able to keep up. Now I'm no Aries. Because to me, they say that they will confuse us. To me, it's not like the Rams are confused. What do you want? Pick your trouble. But on that note, y'all, I'm about to slide. So you know what time it is. If you like what you like, subscribe. If you don't, you can pass it on by. Until next time, I see you soon with a Sippy Sip Live. Also, I see you soon with another Mukbang.